Alright guys, so we witness actual witnessing the loading of the rice. So palay yan guys, ang karga na yan. Wow, that's a lot. So how many crane? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 big crane, you know. So it probably it's coming from the US, guys. So by the way guys, we are here in Puerto Plata. Plata is in Spanish is money. Puerto is port of money. Puerto Plata. It's a Dominican Republic, guys. So that side is cargo, and this side here is a cruise ship. So wow, now it's closing the other one because it's raining. It started to close because it's raining. Yeah, but the other one is still there. It's a cargo ship. So ganun pala ang pagdiskarga ng mga buhangin, palay. Yan, meron silang parang imbudo para masasala lang doon yung sasakyan, yung truck ay nandun lang siya ano. So by the way guys, so we have also this is a free rides here, that one, yung trike. Malakas din pala yan dito, no? Galing. There you go. Wow. It's raining day. Oh my god, it's raining. So how many cranes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe it takes half day to remove that one, or even 1 day. That's a lot. So hindi lang pala lahat ng ano, ganyang type ng cargo na ano, parang tanker siya pero ano, pag may mga crane pala talagang ano yan, may laman sa ilalim, no? Pag may ano, so wow, look at that. Okay, here. That is how they did it. So it goes to the over there. Ayan na, so kailangan na nilang yan kasi basa na. So isang cargo yan guys, na nagkakarga sila ng ano, palay, no? So talagang napakalaking hassle dahil umulan because it rains. Ayan na, nakarga na yung isa, nakatali na. Meron na siyang ano, natakpan na. Nag-stuck yung isang ano doon. Palay nga yan. Ilang tonelada, no? Grabe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Taga Mindanao ako, nakarating dito sa Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you will subscribe my channel and of course set notification bell para so that you will be notified to all my videos. Alright. Thank you for watching.